Today we'll start with the second chapter of the English literature book, that is The Kitten at Play. The poet is William Wordsworth. So children, who is William Wordsworth? William Wordsworth is a famous English romantic poet. He is also called a nature's poet. He is inspired by the beauty of nature and he wrote several poems about nature. So here we go with the poem. Chapter 2, The Kitten at Play. See the kitten on the wall, spotting with the leaves that fall. Withered leaves, 1, 2, and 3, falling from the lofty elder tree. Through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. See the kitten, how she starts, crouches, stretches, paws, and darts. With a tiger leap halfway, now she meets the coming prey, lets it go as fast, and then has it in her power again. No, she works with 3 or 4, like an Indian conjurer, quick as he in feats of art. Gracefully she plays her part. Yet were gazing thousands there. What would little Tabby care? In this poem, The Kitten at Play, the poet William Wordsworth describes about a kitten and her activities before prey. So, what is prey? Prey, prey. An animal that is hunted or killed by another one for food. So, she is playing. She means the cat, the kitten. She is playing on the wall, enjoying herself, jumping on leaves that have fallen from the elder tree and playing with them. In the bright and fair morning, these leaves fall from the elder tree. Then she jumps at the leaves like a tiger leaps at its prey. When she comes near to her prey, she runs fast and jumps on her prey. She elegantly plays her part like a magician. So, children, who is a magician? A person with magical powers, or a person who does things in front of you in a clever and skillful way. She begins to juggle 3 or 4 leaves like magicians do. What this is called juggling. So, children, what is juggling? It is something like continuously toss into the air and catch a number of objects so as to keep at least one in the air while handling the other. See, you all have been to circus, no? And in the circus, normally you have seen this juggling game, isn't it? So, she begins to juggle 3 or 4 leaves like a magician do. The kitten is delighting in her game. She does not care anyone, though thousands were gazing there. Gazing means they were watching her. She knows that thousands of people were watching her, but she doesn't care for anybody. So, children, this was the gist of the poem, meaning of the poem. And I want you to go through it and understand it. And if you have any difficulties in understanding the poem, do call me up. And the question answers I will be giving you tomorrow. Okay? Bye.